What's up, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to give you guys a quick update on the markets. Just note that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about the Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. If you deposit $1,000, you're guaranteed 15 in total, not to mention 8.1% APY. The offer ends very soon in just 6 days. Anyways, for the market, we saw a big decline on SPY. We got some manufacturing numbers that came out. The manufacturing numbers were below expectations, so the manufacturing index from the Richmond Fed was weak, not to mention manufacturing shipments below expectations. However, the services revenue sector was doing all right, so that was fine, but everything else was quite weak and the market declined as a result. So what's happening right now? I know I'm talking kind of fast. I want to get this video out there as fast as possible before the market declines more. So the market's looking more bearish, guys. We ended up getting this big rejection right here. I was talking about this in my video yesterday about why I thought that was very probable. And what's happening is SPY is at the 568 support, the exact level we called out. If that fails, we're looking for a decline all the way down, in my opinion, closer to 565 very soon, followed by 563 over the next couple of days. I think 563 could be coming very soon within a week from now. So there might be a small decline on SPY coming. We have resistance to watch for 569. That's going to be critical. And I think we look more bearish, in my opinion. There's going to be a break of 568 coming soon and a big decline. That's what my opinion is. We look pretty weak. On ES is trying to hold 5760. If this fails, we're looking for a bigger decline towards the lower 5700s. Then we have this imbalance to fall all the way down here towards that area. So look for 5760 support. If that fails, we're looking for 5740, followed by the 5700 area. We have resistance at 5780, but this looks a little bit more bearish, so give this some time. For Nvda, we look a little bit more bearish. We're barely holding the 115 area. If that fails, we're looking for 114.5, followed by lower levels. We also have this resistance around this 117 zone. We look more bearish as we had this pop and drop multiple times. So there's going to be a good chance of this dipping even more. For Bitcoin, we look a little bit more bearish. We're continuing to decline right over here. We have resistance around the 63,171 area. And if we continue to fall, we're looking for 62,500. And if that fails us, we're looking for 6,200 or 62,000 flat, on Bitcoin. So 62,500 and 62,000 are likely coming. We look more bearish to me. For Tesla, we got this big rejection. I was mentioning this. I said that Tesla may shuffle between 250 and 255 for some time, but there would be a possible decline if the market were to decline. Lo and behold, that's what's happening to Tesla. We went from green to red. We have 250 as a key zone. We'll see if we can reclaim that or not. We have 252 above that. If 250 fails us, we're looking for 247.5, followed by 244. Those are going to be your supports, and we look more bearish for now. For others out there like the QQQ, we look a little bit more bearish. We have 480 as our support. If 480 fails us, we're looking for 478, then the gap will all the way down to about 475. So it looks more bearish to me. We have 482 as our main resistance. If we break that, we could turn back up, but this favors the downside direction as we're seeing more bearish metrics develop. So we're seeing some weakness on the charts. For Aapl, we look more bearish. I was talking about how this might be retesting 225 very soon. Lo and behold, we're back there. If we lose that, we're looking for a move back down to 223.8, followed by the gap fill down to 222. We look more bearish, and I think we will eventually come down to 222 on Aapl. For the IWM, we're losing 220. We're looking for 218 as our potential target. There's a good chance it declines all the way down to 218. We need to reclaim 221 at the very least to turn back up. Otherwise, we favor downside. Coinbase is losing its support. We lost 167. So I was talking about 167 yesterday. We actually came below that. We're looking at 160, 162-ish to 161.5, that range as our support zone. I think we might be declining to there. We have 167 as resistance, but we still favor the downside. For Amazon, we look more bearish as well. We have 189 as our support. If that fails us, we're dipping back down towards 187, and we have resistance around 191. I think we still favor downside if 189, like this 190 area, breaks. So we still look bearish on Amazon. Meta is barely holding 554. If that fails us, we're looking for 550 as our support, followed by 544. We have that gap to fall all the way down there. So I think that we're looking at 553 points, basically 554, very close to that range as our supports. We have resistance at 557, not to mention 560, but we still look more bearish, and I think 554 might break on Meta. Microsoft looks more bearish, so very, very weak looking right now. We have 428 as resistance, and we have support at 423.5. We look more bearish right now. We're declining. Google's also looking a little bit more bearish, but we haven't lost critical support yet. We're still barely holding our 20 EMA at 162.5. So it might lose this and start dipping lower towards the 162s all over again, the lower levels. But we haven't really lost that support. We're still just barely holding it. So we'll have to give this some time. With that being said, guys, the market is barely holding support, but we are looking more bearish. There's a risk of us declining more. So I just want to give you guys a heads up about that. With that being said, I'm going to try to release this video as fast as I can. I thank you all so much for your attentions. So please have a great day. Be careful with your trading, and we'll see how things end up developing. Thanks again, and peace out.